So we've got this FK8 in there with us about a week ago now. Dan Buckingham, who's going to be racing in Time Attack this year, came to us saying that it was struggling getting into fourth gear, so we've done a full gearbox rebuild on the car, a few tasty modifications which we'll talk about on test drive, but we've also changed the flywheel for an EXEDY flywheel. The standard one was weighing about 10 kilograms and the new one's probably around 5, so that will help with acceleration. And we've also changed the clutch to a paddle clutch as well, so let's go and see what it's made of. Jump in, let's take it for a drive. One of the things that we mentioned is the new paddle clutch that we've installed. Customer requested that. Obviously he's using it in Time Attack, so it's on circuit. It does make it difficult to drive on the roads. And we've also upgraded the gearbox with an GIKEN plated LSD 1.5 weight. So yeah, let's go and see what it feels like. First time driving an FK8. But yeah, I like the car so far.
5 minutes later.
He's got a short shifter. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but it's quite nice. Engages gear really nicely. As part of the rebuild as well, we changed 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th up synchro and slider unit, so they're nice and tight. Gearbox feels really nice. The dip seems to pull into the corners quite nicely. Going through the gears into 3rd. We've got this Time Attack FK8 in with us. Dan Buckingham, who's going to be racing this in Time Attack this year. So we've got this FK8 in recently. Dan Buckingham, who's doing Time Attack this year. Start again. So we've got this Time Attack FK8, came into us last week. Dan Buckingham, who's doing Time Attack this year. Start again.